Google self-driving car has been legalized in 2 states, in the United States and in Finland, but there were no steering wheel or manual brakes in the car, so they would not allow this before these equipments has been reinstalled in the car. When you talk about the car, there is some question that arises with a self-driving car with no human involved. Who are you giving the speed ticket to if the car drives too fast? And the answer is none, because the car is programmed to drive to the speed limit and not further. But another question arises, as who has the guilt if the Google car is involved in a car crash? Is it developer, or is it the owner of the car, or is it someone else? Therefore, this law has to be fixed before we can allow this technology in our society.